Hi, this is Link Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2017 Renault Master, stock number 7023. That's ran from the 9th 2011 to the current shape. There's a X62 2.3 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the X62 2.3 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front headlight, left front guard no dents, left front 6-inch steel wheel good tyre, left hand door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate doors no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, right front door 1 dent, right front 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, right front headlight, right front door mirror, right front door card, right front master switch, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, instrument cluster,